Merry Christmas Eve.
So tomorrow's Christmas, but do you want to see where Alice hiding today?
Where is she
We're
at?
having a Christmas party. Come see her.
Where did Alice hide today?
In the fishbowl.
Ah, in the fishbowl. That's crazy, Alice. And what did you get today? What did the mailman bring you today?
A life box.
A Walt Life box.
And today with a
Walt Life box.
Yeah, we got a Walt Life box today, and it's Christmas Eve.
And with a paint.
And we're painting Christmas pictures for people.
Ready? Let's open it.
Let's open it. Let's see what's in there. What do you think, Mia? What do you think you're going to get? You don't know? Ornaments? What else? A winter jacket. I think it's too small for a winter jacket. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, frozen Play-Doh. Oh, lip gloss.
Is it 3 or 4 that people?
A little bracelet necklace. Oh, that's cute. What? What is that? Mickey Mouse oven mitts. That's pretty cool. And then the filling. That's kind of a good one, huh?
I always put Play-Doh.
Alright. Are we done then? Say bye, guys. Merry Christmas. No, why not? What are we doing?
I'm going to show them to Bonnie's room.
Oh, yeah, baby brother is coming soon. In January. So we decorated for Christmas for his room. Oh, and then Kaylee and Mia moved in together into their own room. We're going to see anyway. This used to be the playroom. And now it's their room.
What's going on in here? This is a mess.
Yeah, this is a mess. I'm so glad that you wanted to put this on YouTube. Hi, guys. Merry Christmas.
No.
Yes.
No.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.